Hey everybody, it's me, English teacher Matthew, and I'm back again with another video. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for waiting. It's been a long time, right? We can say long time no see, but welcome back. Today, I want to talk about the verb be and how we can use them with different subject pronouns. So what is the verb be? Be is am, is, are. Am is are. And depending on the subject pronoun, depends on whether we need to use am, is, or are. I am. I am. Or we can say I'm. This is how we can contract. We can make the word shorter so we can speak quicker. Instead of saying I am, we can say I'm. That's I apostrophe am. I'm. And for you? Well, we say you are. You are. You are. Or you're. 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 Yeah? Now, I, you, we. We are. We are. We are. We are. We are. W-E apostrophe R-E. We are. We are. We. They. They. They are. They are. They are. Yeah? Pretty easy. Now, he, she, it. He, she, it. He is for a boy. She is for a girl. It is for something like a computer or a toy. We say is with them. He is, she is, it is. He is, she is, it is. Or we can say he's, she's, it's. He's, she's, it's. Yes? Okay? So we've gone through I am, you are, we are, they are, and then he is, she is, and it is. Okay, very good. If you have any questions, then please do leave them in the comments below, and please like the video and share it around with your friends. I do have a podcast. You can listen to my podcast on Apple Podcast, Google Podcast, and other good podcast apps. Just search for Ask English Teacher Matthew. And you can also find me across other social media as well. The links will be in the description. But anyway, thank you very much for watching and have a great day. See you next time, and good luck with your studies. Goodbye.